Yeah, hi. So let's try to understand how we will identify the equation of a line in a coordinate plane. Okay, so I have a coordinate plane here, and if I draw a line with, oh, sorry, if I draw a line which is going through the middle like this, do we know what is the equation of this line? So since it is going through the middle, if you take a specific point here and you draw like this and draw like this, that is how we find the coordinate, right? See, my drawing is not correct. That is why we are not getting it. But this point is 1, 1. Yeah. And if you take another point here, it will be 2, 2. Okay, so all or in this case, all the points will be for all the points, the x coordinate and the y coordinate will be equal. Okay, so the equation of this line is y is equal to x. This is something which we have learned in junior set. Okay, so y is equal to x. So let me just rub this off so that I will have better clarity in the picture. So the line which is going through the middle like this, that is y is equal to x. This is y is equal to x. Suppose there is another line which is going like this. Okay, it is starting from 2. So if there's a line which is starting from 2, how will you find the equation of the line? So here if you notice this line, what is the speciality? Here this point is 2, 0, right? The x coordinate is 2, yeah, and y coordinate is 0. So I can write this as y is equal to you know the formula, the formula of equation of a line, y is equal to mx plus c. Okay, and this is how we find the equation of a formula. But let us not worry about that now, because if I take this, that will be complicated. But ideally it is the way. But here I can say that the x coordinate is 0, y coordinate is x coordinate is 2, y coordinate is 0. Okay, so I can say that 0 is equal to um, or I can write this as, sorry, I can write this as x is equal to 2. Yeah, that's fine, right? X is equal to 2 and y is equal to 0. So this x is equal to 2, I can interpret this as x minus 2. Yeah, x minus 2 is equal to 0. And y is equal to 0, x minus 2 is equal to 0. I can combine these two and I can write it as y is equal to x minus 2. Okay, so which means that this line will be y is equal to x minus 2. Okay, now what will be the line which is going like from 3? It will be directly y is equal to x minus 3. What will be the one which is going from 5? It will be y is equal to x minus 5. Okay, so this is the base understanding of equations what you have to have. Now with this information, okay, now before, now y is, let's take the first one. Okay, let's take this one, the y is equal to x. Now for this line, if you want to extend it, it will directly go like this. Okay, and these will be going like this. Okay, again all the lines will be going like this because of the line formula. If you put the values of this one, y is equal to, like, for first line is y is equal to x. So if x is equal to minus 1, y is equal to minus 1, x is equal to minus 2, y is equal to minus 2. So then the points will be like this and the line will continue down. Okay. Now when you think about inequality, okay, now we are working on the inequality. So when you take the inequality, let's take the first inequality, y is equal to modulus of x. Okay, if I take this inequality, what will happen is, modulus, you mean you will not take the negative numbers, yeah, all that will go into a positive value. So let us take the case of y is equal to x. Okay, now let's take the first one, y is equal to x. So if it is positive 1, if x, this is the value of, sorry, let me just write it in a table so that we understand. The value of x, this is the value of y. If the value of x is positive 1, value of y will be positive 1, positive 2, positive 2, positive 3, positive 3, 0, 0, negative 1. Okay, what will happen to the value of x? It's modulus of x. Okay, I'm working on the modulus of, when it is minus 1, the y will be again 1, minus 2 y will be 2, and minus 3 y will be 3. Okay, when it comes to modulus of x, whatever be the value of x, the y value will be positive. Okay, so if you plot this in this graph, what will happen is, I'm going to plot it with the green one here. The red one was y is equal to x, but when it comes with y is equal to modulus of x, what will happen is, from this point onwards down, okay, for that you have to draw a reflection of that in this direction. Okay, so which means that what you have to do, you will have to draw that. I'm going to draw it in green here. So sorry. So that line will be like this. Okay. So I will just quickly explain once again here. This is the coordinate plane. And if this is the line, this is y is equal to x. Okay. Sorry. This is the line y is equal to x. Okay, but when it comes to modulus of x, y is equal to modulus of x. If you need to draw this one, what you need to do is you need to remove this. You don't need this portion, but rather you have to draw a reflection here. So then that will be this portion. So y is equal to modulus of x means it is uh, this one. Okay, so this and this, that is y is equal to modulus of x. Understood? Yeah. Okay, now what will you do if it is y is equal to modulus of x minus 2? Okay, so x minus 2 will be starting like this, it will be going like this. Yeah, so if you need to draw modulus of x minus 2, you take off this and you draw a reflection of it like this, reflection, the exact reflection you have to draw. Okay, so then that is, you need to draw it like this. So this is not this diagram is called y is equal to modulus of x minus 2. Okay. So similarly, depending on the number which we depending on the number which we have here, the graph will change. Now let us look back at the question. Okay. So let us see this question and see how it will work. Let's look at the blue line. Okay. The blue line, it is directly in the middle, right? From origin, it is directly from the origin, line passing through the origin. So that is f of x. So what does it talk about? F of x is equal to x. Okay, but do you see the reflection of this on this side? Okay, reflection. See, ideally it should go down like this, but we don't have this one, but it is the reflection. Okay, so which means that it is f of x is equal to modulus of x. Okay, now the second one, g of x, green one, g of x is equal to, it is 4. So g of x is equal to x minus 4. And is it x minus 4? Is it directly going down? Yeah, or it is going up? It is going up. So which means it is the reflection. So it is modulus of x minus 4. And what will be h of x? H of x is, it's minus 3. So it is x plus 3. And since it is the reflection, it is modulus of x plus 3. Okay, I hope you got it. And they're asking you to verify it also. Verifying it means just giving the value of x into these three equations and seeing whether the y value is correct or not. Okay, thank you.